Welcome to Understand All. I'm your host, Aslakir Gairleaf. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey into the world of intermittent fasting. So grab a seat and let's dive in. Have you ever wondered what happens inside your body when you skip a meal? It's not just about feeling hungry. There's an intricate dance of molecules and hormones at play. Imagine your body as a finely tuned clock, with each tick representing a change in your metabolism as time passes without food. But before we explore further, let's address the elephant in the room. Fasting? Isn't that just starving yourself? Not quite. You see, intermittent fasting isn't about what you eat, but when you eat. It's giving your body's internal systems a chance to rest and reset. Now let's take a closer look at the science behind fasting. When we fast, our bodies undergo some pretty remarkable changes. Insulin levels drop, and our cells become more sensitive to this hormone's effects. According to a study published in Cell Metabolism in 2015, intermittent fasting improved insulin sensitivity in pre-diabetic men. That's a big deal for managing blood sugar levels. But that's not all. Fasting also triggers the production of human growth hormone, which is like a fountain of youth for your cells. It promotes fat burning, muscle growth, and even has anti-aging effects. In fact, a study in the Journal of Translational Medicine in 2016 found that intermittent fasting can preserve muscle mass while promoting fat loss, especially when combined with resistance training. Now, let's do a little thought experiment. Imagine we could shrink down and travel inside your body during a fast. What would we see? Well, we'd witness your cells engaging in a process called autophagy. Think of it as a cellular spring cleaning, where your body removes old, damaged proteins and organelles. It's like hitting the reset button on your cells. But how does this all translate to real-world benefits? Well, buckle up because the list is impressive. Intermittent fasting has been shown to 1. Promote weight loss and improve body composition. A systematic review and meta-analysis published in Obesity Reviews in 2020 found that intermittent fasting can lead to significant weight loss, ranging from 0.8% to 13% of baseline body weight. 2. Reduce inflammation in the body. A study in nutrition research in 2015 showed that intermittent fasting can lower levels of inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein. 3. Improve brain health and cognitive function. Research in Nature Reviews Neuroscience in 2019 suggested that fasting may enhance neuroplasticity and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. 4. Extend lifespan, at least in animal studies. A study in Cell Metabolism in 2017 indicated that intermittent fasting can increase longevity in mice. While human studies are still needed, the potential is exciting. But wait, there's more. Intermittent fasting may also lower blood pressure, reduce bad LDL cholesterol, and even decrease the risk of certain cancers. It's like a one-stop shop for health benefits. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but won't fasting slow down my metabolism? It's a common concern, but the research says otherwise. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2016 found that short-term fasting actually increases metabolic rate. So, you can put that worry to rest. All right, let's talk practicalities. How do you actually do intermittent fasting? Well, there are several approaches, but one of the most popular is the 16-8 method. This involves fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. So you might finish dinner at 7 p.m. and then not eat again until 11 a.m. the next day. It's a simple way to dip your toes into the fasting world. But here's the thing, fasting isn't for everyone. If you're pregnant, have a history of eating disorders, or certain health conditions, it's crucial to talk with your doctor before trying intermittent fasting. It's all about finding what works for your unique body and lifestyle. As we near the end of our journey today, I want to leave you with a thought. Could changing when we eat be just as important as what we eat? The science of intermittent fasting certainly suggests so, but as with any health approach, it's about finding what works for you, your body, and your life. And that's a wrap for today's episode of Understand All. I hope you've enjoyed our deep dive into the fascinating world of intermittent fasting. Remember, whether you choose to fast or not, the key is to listen to your body and treat it with kindness. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science and health.